Hi and welcome to Hatchlings Assistant. Today we're gonna draw a raccoon and a robot and
rainbow.
A rainbow.
Yeah. So we're doing some more alphabet art, and the letter R is what we're gonna do. So let's do our little saying to help us remember. Ready, set, go. Big R, little r. What begins with R? Robot, rainbow, raccoon. R, R, R. Good job. All right, let's get started.
Over! Beep boop bop.
Okay, so let's start up here. We're gonna draw a square shape that's kind of rounded at the corners if you want, or it can just be a plain old square. And then inside of it, we're gonna draw
Two ovals.
two ovals.
You don't have to do
And a smile.
reflections.
No, you don't have to. So there's a smile. And then I think it's kind of fun to put little antennas on your robot.
I like to do mine like.
Oh, I like yours. So you can either do it like this or like that. That's cute. Okay, so now just a skinny little neck. And then a rectangle down here. Oh, you're making a girl robot? Cute. Okay, and then one arm can go up this way with two lines like that. And then you can draw a circle for the middle part of the hand. And then you're gonna draw a thumb.
I need to do this.
And then 3 fingers. Ooh, I like that way too. That's cute. All right, and then this arm I'm gonna have going down. And then a circle, thumb, and 3 fingers. Okay, and then I like to, on the arm, draw little lines.
I added lines on the neck. Come on.
Oh, cool. Yeah, neck works too. We can add lines on the neck. And I think it's cute to put a heart right there. All right, so for the legs, right here, you're gonna do one line down, and then a rainbow shape for the foot,
I'm gonna do
and then a
wheels.
rectangle.
Like
Oh, you're gonna
rainbow
do,
shape,
uh-huh,
then two
and then a rectangle, and then some wheels. Cool, that's a good idea.
Because robots have wheels, so
That's
they can
true.
roll around.
That's a good idea. So a rainbow shape and a
I
rectangle.
wish you could do a wheel.
Okay, I'll do a wheel. I'll do little ones like this. Oh, I like yours though. That looks cool.
Like this one's
Yeah.
like
And then
kind of lifting of its
you
leg.
can also do little lines in this leg. All right, are we done with our robot?
Yes.
Awesome. Now let's do our rainbow. So for the rainbow, I'm gonna start down here and I'm gonna do a rainbow shape. And if we want to do all the colors, then we need to draw some more lines. So here's another line. So that'll be our red, and that'll be our orange. This will be our yellow. This will be our green. Well, then you can go on the outside.
Blue. Purple.
Purple.
I'm just gonna add some like
So red, orange, yellow,
overlapping.
green, blue,
I'm just
purple.
overlapping.
Yeah, and then like she did, we're gonna add clouds at the bottom.
Mommy, you don't have room for your raccoon.
I have room. I'll put my raccoon right here. All right, so there's the cloud for our rainbow. Okay, so then up here, we're
I
gonna,
have huge
So for
space
you, you want to
it.
start over here for the eyes.
Right here?
Yeah. So we're gonna draw an oval eye. And then over here, another oval eye that goes this way. And then you want to draw a circle around that because it has a mask on. So on top of this circle, we're going to do another line. But this time, instead of it making an oval, so like this, you see how we're going around it?
Mommy, so usually raccoons have them like touching the others.
Yeah, this is how I'm going to draw mine. So we're making the mask like this shape. It's kind of like a sideways teardrop. Do you see my sideways teardrop, Izzy? Isn't that cool? And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. A sideways teardrop.
Too late, I can't do eyelashes.
That's okay. It can be a boy raccoon.
Okay.
All right. So you'll want to fill in the mask right now.
Because the mask is supposed to be black.
Yep. And then the nose goes in between it, and you can leave a little highlight if you want. Like that.
There.
All right. Now get your paper ready. Okay, don't.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Fill that in. Carefully. All right, so now we're gonna draw the bottom part of his mouth, his face, like this. So you're drawing like a curved line and then a little chin, and then it goes back up. Cute. And then inside of there you can draw a smile. However you can fit a smile in there. And then up here, we're gonna draw part of the mask again.
This is his teeth.
This is like two rainbows joined together. So you go up and then down. Almost looks like a mustache. Okay.
She'll draw a mustache over him.
And then this curves and it's the top of his head. And it comes down. So this ear is like that. And then you fill in this part black like this. Do you see that? And then this goes this way. And you can fill in this part black. All right. Now his back curves around. Yeah, we're doing his body. Curves around and down. Like that.
I don't have room for a tail.
It's okay. You can have it curved down. All right, and then let's come over here and let's draw a leg. So it comes down from his chin and then kind of makes, oh, you were drawing his body, but I'm drawing his leg. Can you draw a leg? So it comes together like that, and then he's got these little socks on. Like this. So you draw one sock there, the other sock here.
Wait, does he actually have socks on?
No, it's just black feet. Oh, those are cute. I like that, Izzy. And then this line comes up and meets up with this face, and then this one disappears behind. All right, and then the belly goes up like this, and then it comes down like this to meet up with that leg, and then it comes down for one of the back legs. And then this leg kind of hides back here. Very good. All right, so if you didn't leave room for your tail, you can have it curve around like this, Izzy. You can curve it down, but I'm gonna have mine go out because I do have room. And then you can draw stripes in there. One stripe. I'm gonna think I can fit 3 in there.
I can fit more than 3.
Really?
See?
Nice. All right, that was good. Good job. Okay, we've drawn a robot, a raccoon, and a rainbow, and now we'll color it in time lapse.
What about the art?
Oh, we need to draw a big R. Do we need a new paper or can you fit it in? All right, so we make a line, and then you make a curve bump on this side, and then you come down, and that's a big R. And then the little r is one line down here. Oh, you did a block R. That's a good one. So one line and then just a curved line out like that. That's how you do a little r. So big R and little r. Good job. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun doing alphabet art, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time.